As a winter storm hammered Hamilton, a thaw in the standoff over healthcare funding.
I invited the premiers to join me in Ottawa on February 7th for a working meeting on healthcare.
A working meeting the premiers worked hard to get.
We're calling on the federal government to be a fair partner in the delivery of healthcare when it comes to the funding of healthcare.
After years of pandemic strain, the healthcare system is in crisis. Workers are burning out and getting out, leaving emergency rooms overcrowded or closed entirely. People without family doctors, hospitals overloaded by a backlog of canceled procedures.
But funding alone won't solve the issues that we're seeing. Canadians need to see improvements, better results and outcomes.
Trudeau is putting more federal money on the table, but also moving past the pattern of an across-the-board funding increase, which favors larger provinces, adding one-on-one deals to meet specific regional needs. For instance, recruiting doctors to smaller provinces.
We don't think applying a one-size-fits-all across the country is the best way to do it.
The Conservatives are pushing for results.
What matters is that we get shorter wait times, more doctors and nurses, and faster approval of new drugs and treatments for our people.
New Democrats pushing back on private care.
After 3 days of this retreat, neither the Prime Minister or his ministers have come out opposed to the privatization and for-profit plans of Doug Ford and Daniel Smith.
In the days between now and the First Minister's meeting, Ottawa will draw up its proposals on money and reform. The hope is to settle on a clear direction with the premiers and then get everything finalized by the spring budget. David Cochran, CBC News, Hamilton.